Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Thursday, July the 10th. Hey, hi, hello. So in today's video, I'm excited to share that I've been invited back to be a speaker at the Card Maker Success Summit that's put on by Stamp Me Some Love. This is the holiday edition, and you guys, my cards, which are holiday Christmas cards, as you probably would have guessed, are gingerbread themed. And like, listen, this is top tier level excitement for me, because if you've been with me for any amount of time, you know that my holiday card series is my absolute favorite thing to film. I love holiday cards and I'm obsessed with gingerbread. So yeah, this is a free summit. It costs you absolutely nothing to attend. It's going to be July 31st through August the 3rd. I will start my 11th holiday card series on September the 3rd, I believe. I always do it the Wednesday after Labor Day. So this will help give us a kind of jump start on our holiday card making. There are over 40 different presentations. There are other holidays rather than just Christmas. Of course, we have other fall holidays, etc. A variety of techniques, awesome teachers, and it's such a fun event. So if you attend the free event, you only have access to the videos for 24 hours. However, you do have the option to upgrade to 2 different VIP passes this year. So there's the regular VIP, which gets you immediate access to the videos, meaning that if you sign up today, July 10th, you could start watching those videos today. You also get the 300-page workbook, which has worksheets, it has transcripts of the videos, etc. And that is a special bonus. There are some other bonuses as well. And then the premium VIP gets all of that, plus some of us have created bonus gifts for you guys valued at over $20. So all of that information will pop up if you sign up using my link down below. So in the first 20 minutes, they have what's called the Fast Action Pass. So you can get either the VIP or the premium VIP ticket at a very discounted rate, but it's only good for that 20 minutes. But the VIP special pricing will be available until the day before, I believe, the summit begins. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So as I mentioned, if you use my link, you will get a freebie from me. Now, if that doesn't come through in the next day or two and you've signed up, just send me a screenshot of your confirmation email and I will send you the link to the freebie. So the last summit I tried to do watch parties, which didn't really work out. They were kind of a total flop. So we're going to do something different this year. I'm not sure what yet, but we will definitely do something in the weeks after the summit ends. So if you are attending, and once you get your ticket, just email me take a screenshot of your confirmation email and just send it to my email, TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com. I'll get you on my list, and once I kind of finalize what I want to do for us, those of us who have attended, I will let you know. Not going to be a watch party. It's not going to be a watch party. We're either going to do a private live stream. We may do a Zoom call. I haven't really decided. But we will do something special if you attend the summit along by using my link. Do I have anything else to tell you? No. So it is completely free. Please don't feel obligated to pick up the VIP pass or the premium VIP pass. Those are available if you are someone, again, who wants to reference the videos. You get lifetime access, or like if you want to start now, or if you're someone who wants like the workbook or you want the special freebies. So I understand. So no pressure from me, but you do have that option and it is available if you want the extra goodies. And again, that Fast Action Pass price is only available within your first 20 minutes. But once you get your free ticket, and even when you get the VIP, the first level VIP, you will have the ability to upgrade. I think it's $20 between the VIP and the premium VIP. So, and it's worth over, I want to say like, I don't remember what she said, but it's worth a whole bunch. Again, more information when you go get your free ticket. But get a free ticket, come craft along with us. Again, we will do something special where we can interact, and then maybe I'll also throw in a freebie card kit or something. We'll just have to see what happens. I don't want to overpromise because of this. I'm healing and doing really well. If you're interested in how that's going, I will have an update video on my At Home with Misty channel, which you can find linked down below. I'm filming this on July 10th. That will probably go up later today or early tomorrow. So if you are on my email list, you already have this information. But I just want to let you know that I'm so excited to be here. Unfortunately, due to this surgery, I wasn't really sure where I would be in the healing process. So I'm not going to be able to do a live Q&A with you guys this year, or for this summit, but hopefully for the next one, I'll be invited back and I will be back to normal. Let's hope, y'all. Let me tell you, I had surgery on May 23rd. I got home for good on June 21st. It's been a rough few weeks. I have more of that on this channel, and again, I'm going to film an update for my At Home with Misty channel. Oh, before I forget, another huge thank you to those of you who've sent cards, etc. to my mailbox. I have a mailing address that's listed down below. Again, no obligation, but some people have wanted to send like get well soon cards, etc. And rather than having to give everyone my home address, which I'd really rather avoid, I have a mailbox that you can send your cards, postcards, etc. to. So yeah, anywho, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them or email and reach out to me. That's really about it. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I hope in the next month or so, I am back to getting crafting and getting into card making, etc. But yeah, so I hope I'll see you soon. And again, email me with your screenshot of your confirmation email, and I will get you on the list for our special something or other after the summit is over. Okay, bye for now.